This machine can be charged using both 110 and 230 volt options in both domestic and industrial. We also have a 415 3-phase rapid charger which can charge the machine in approximately 2 hours. To charge using the fast charge option, make sure the machine is safe, make sure the area and the rapid charger is clear and in a safe location. Turn off the machine ignition, ensuring the fast charger is not plugged into the machine. Connect the rapid charger to the mains, making sure that you use a suitable rated power socket. Open the rear hatch and connect the rapid charger cable to the machine, removing the dust cover. Turn the machine ignition to position 1. Wait for the duration specified to allow the machine to wake up, normally 10 seconds. Turn on the rapid charger by turning the dial to the on position. Leave the machine to charge. The on charge indicator should illuminate red on the rapid charger. If required, turn the machine ignition off and remove the keys. For a full charge, wait until the end charge indicator illuminates green on the rapid charger, or the charge indicator light on the machine is a solid green. When charging is complete, turn off the rapid charger by turning its dial to the off position. Wait for the duration specified to ensure the charger is off, normally 10 seconds. Turn off the machine ignition if on. Turn off and disconnect the rapid charger from the main supply. Disconnect the rapid charger from the machine. Replace the dust cover and close the rear hatch. Neatly store the off-board rapid charger and cables.